Let us discuss about single thyroid nodule. Single thyroid nodule. Single thyroid nodule. This single thyroid nodule is seen in colloid goiter. Is seen in colloid goiter and follicular adenoma. Follicular adenoma. Okay, they most commonly they are seen in single thyroid nodule is seen in colloid goiter and follicular adenoma. There are certain other conditions where we see single thyroid nodule, but these two conditions are more common. Especially colloid goiter is more common than follicular adenoma. Okay. An investigation of choice for this single thyroid nodule is thyroid function test. Thyroid function test. Here we'll check for TSH levels. This TSH level is ultra sensitive. It is ultra sensitive. It can detect subclinical hypothyroidism or subclinical hyperthyroidism. Okay. FNAC. We can also do FNAC. But FNAC is not useful for diagnosis of follicular adenoma. Okay, for follicular adenoma, this FNAC is not useful because in follicular adenoma we use markers. We use markers for diagnosis, especially in biopsy. We will take biopsy and will use markers. This is diagnosis investigation. Then we'll see how FNAC is useful and how we can manage using FNAC. How we will use FNAC for management of single thyroid nodule. Let us see. So when you do FNAC, the result can be either inconclusive. The result may be benign, suspicious or malignant. Okay, when you send for FNAC, the result may be inconclusive, benign, malignant or suspicious. When the result is inconclusive, we'll repeat FNAC. When it is benign, it can be either cystic or solid. It can be either cystic or solid in benign. When it is suspicious, what we do is when it is suspicious, we'll do radioactive iodine scan. Radioactive iodine scan. In radioactive iodine scan, the result can be as hard nodule or cold nodule. The diagnosis will be either hard nodule or cold nodule. In hard nodule, we'll do the treatment of choice is radioactive iodine ablation. The treatment is radioactive ablation. In cold nodule, we'll do hemithyroidectomy. Okay, this hemithyroidectomy can also be done for hard nodule as well. This is about suspicious. Then in malignant, we'll do, if the lesion is malignant, we'll do total thyroidectomy. will do thyroidectomy.